Hi, my name is Korma Agu Stockmeyer, and I am the CEO of Afro Contibo.
Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Igbo people and what it means to be Igbo. Igbo people are located in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Best time to visit is during the festive season. You can experience the beautiful arts and culture. You can listen to great music, maybe learn to play the udu. Our traditions are very deep and they have been passed on from generation to generation. If you do visit, make sure to try some special unique foods like the kola nut. Igbos are the third largest ethnic group in Nigeria. Igbo people also have their own calendar, some people still do follow it, and their own alphabets. There are also a few famous Igbo people like Chinua Achebe, Chimamanda, Chiwetal. Anything Chi is probably Igbo. Here is a clip from my village in Owerri, Imo State during Christmas.
Beauty is something that has always been there since, the history books. If you look at some pictures, you would see the women style their hair in different styles, with the circles, with the beads. We have like face makeups, with the white dots or with the black. Brides, when they're getting married, you would just see beads all over. They're usually heavy, but that's what beauty is.
Other examples of physical beauty in the culture includes gap teeth, thick curves, and the less popular tribal marks.
My culture and tribe has really inspired and empowered me all my life. My company name is called Afro Contibo, which is African Contemporary Igbo. Anything I do as far as dance and movement has a little bit of who I am in it, a little bit of Igbo in it. Mainly because of the way I grew up, surrounded with movement, surrounded with beautiful and powerful women. And so that has kind of stirred me in the right direction. And my motto in life is really to keep going, no matter how hard things are, keep going. And I got this from an Igbo proverb. It says, means life is a struggle, but instead of dying, I will struggle on. I see beauty in people within, internally. So a person is beautiful inside as well as they are beautiful outside. We appreciate people, I think, in my culture for their personality. If they're a good person, then they're beautiful, it definitely helps to have, beautiful skin, beautiful hair, and, we like to wear makeup and style our hair and put on beads. That's also beauty, but the biggest one of all is what is inside of you. Nuba is in abundance, and I want to wish you wellness in abundance. So I would say, Ayinacho Ahuike Nuba. And you say amen. I think that my culture has really helped to shape me and help me become who I am today. Everything I do is affected by who I am. And who am I? I am Korma Agu Stockmeyer, and I am Igbo.
This is only a summary of what being Igbo means to me and my company. There's so much more to learn, guys. So much.